When you need to add a lot of employees to your WhenToWork account, you can either enter them one at a time, or you can upload a spreadsheet with all of your information in it at one time. Go to Employees, Employees List. Now, of course, there is the Add New Employee button. This is excellent for adding just 1 or 2 employees at a time. But if you're opening a new account, or if you're a seasonal employer who frequently adds large groups of employees into the system, you'll want to know about our Upload feature. If you click here, you can upload an entire spreadsheet of information. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can see the Upload button. On our Upload screen, go ahead and use Choose File to find your spreadsheet with all of your employee data. When the name is displayed here, that means you're ready to go. Click Step 2. On this screen, you can review the assignments of the various spreadsheet columns and change them as needed. In purple, you'll see the title from each of the columns in your spreadsheet. WhenToWork has already associated that with one of the fields available to you in the Employee Information window. If you find that one of your headers does not match our field, you'll have to search through the list to see if there's another field where that information would make sense. If you really cannot find it, go ahead and click on the blank line, and the system will simply skip uploading that data from that column in your spreadsheet. When you're ready, you'll scroll down to the bottom and click Next Step. Now you'll want to confirm the WhenToWork assignments. Once again, we're just displaying your header titles and the field with which WhenToWork will be associating them. Make sure everything is correct, and when you're ready, go to the bottom and click Upload Data. Your employees have been uploaded into your WhenToWork account, and that means that our system has created employee logins for each of them. You can upload another file, or you can revert. Revert would mean that you could come in and you could take these employees out. If at any time over the next few days you realize that the employee information you've uploaded is somehow incorrect, or perhaps associated with the wrong fields, you could revert them to remove that upload from the system. Now back in your account, your employees have been added. All of their information is visible on the employees list. You can use the Select Columns link to show other information that you might want to see. When you're ready, click Save, and the information appears on your list. Look over the information to make sure that everything looks as you would expect. When you're ready, you can email sign-in instructions to your new employees so that they can access the WhenToWork system.